Dear souls, this is a short transmission around the eclipse and, of course, around the spring energies that are still running really, really strong right now. For those of you who are on the feminine path, especially, or those of you who are on the more naturalistic, animistic path, secrets and deeper realities can be revealed to you about the renewal, about the resilience forces of nature that reside within the resurrection of nature, within the blossoming of nature and of the sacred feminine vessels. For me, I suggest that you stay in nature, you immerse yourself in natural forces. At first, with no really any, so to speak, planned activity, or you may do some meditation or ritual, but staying in an appreciative, self-loving state, I would say, from the feminine perspective, a self-loving state, staying in nature with no plan really allows your light body, your awareness, to absorb the energies coming now and the opening that is happening. Because that opening cannot really happen so gracefully or take place so gracefully when we live in urban environments. I know some of you may not be, of course, in a totally wilderness environment, but if you have a garden or some nature retreat or your favorite spot away from a lot of people and electronics and synthetic environments, then commit to actually going there, following really the stream, the thread of your own animal intuition, so to speak, of what feels good. And the more you do it, of course, the more information and guidance is going to open to you. And the feminine vessels, the sacred feminine vessels, are becoming aware that nature powers have a lot to do with the mysteries of the feminine. That is, of course, something that can be revealed to you as you progress on your path in the right timing, in its own unfolding. But committing to going to nature or listening and really daring to actually engulf yourself in nature and immerse yourself there is really the first and most basic step, especially with this growing chaos and uncertainty